Hello everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. Today we're just going to be unboxing these two Amiibos real quick. Got Bowser here in the background, Supervisor. Let's get into it. This I just got off Amazon, came in the mail today. It was $40 on Amazon. I think they're going for like 60 and over on eBay. People are buying these up, you know, collecting them. So if you see this video, they have it on Amazon as of today, September 11th. So this guy bought it at the flea market. So let's go ahead and get into it. Got Cat and Peach Mario. And you can see here, Katzen Mario, German. And then you can kind of see what they do in here, earn items. I think in Nintendo, yeah, so invulnerable White Cat Mario in the Mario 3D World. And then you got a random power-up item. So let's go ahead and crack these bad boys open. Oh yeah. Can't even do it one-handed. Plenty of sound for the Amiibo. There we go. Yay! So we got Mario, Cat Mario. It's got some nice fur-like details there. Cat and pink paws. And we got Peach. Shows some nice detail on her too. And then we got some instruction booklet with these guys. Interesting, I've never seen that before with Amiibos. And then let's open Rossetti from the Animal Crossing series. So, got him for $10, which I think is a steal, because he's probably more expensive than that new in the store. He's a pretty cool character too. Come on, let's get this open here. Sorry about horrible camera work. There we go. Rossetti, little mole guy. Nice. Well, thanks for watching. That was the unboxing. Take care.